Yeah, okay. Right now, this is a CMS taxi and motor company bus. T&M, they are the major operators of bus service, been ferrying passengers for the past 40 years from CMS to Aja seamlessly. So they have actually undertaken to go green by installing a HHO fuel saving and emission reduction kit. And they took the project because they are very, very concerned about the environment. So this is exactly what we're doing. So I want to show you guys what's going on here, what they have done on their bus. The bus you see here running on 30% to 30% water as fuel. So the emission is now reduced by about 90%. So the first of its kind as a commercial, apart from individual, as a commercial city bus in Lagos, who actually understands what emission is, to reduce emission from the environment. So this is why they have been able to, to commence this installation in their buses. So you go out and come in. You got it there? Yes. Okay. Come on, come. Okay. So we start from here. So I want to show you what we have done, so for you to understand how it is, what is running the vehicle. This is the HHO fuel saving and emission reduction kit. This is the kit for the vehicle. Inside here you have your water tank and you have the dry cell. Now, open this. I'm going to come and send you go. So now, to show you how intelligent this unit is, it does not disrupt anything in the engine. It has nothing to do with the engine operation. The only connection this device you are seeing here has with this engine is here. You understand? That device, that the equipment you see there, that port you see there, which is the HHO heat and the induction kit, what it does is to generate hydrogen. The hydrogen comes in through here. This is the only relationship the device has with the engine. So what this means is that it does not void the warranty of the car. That's why you can install it in the car you brought out today. It does not affect the warranty of the vehicle. What it does is to save fuel, then reduce the emission. Because this vehicle you see here, anytime it goes to Aja and come back, it emits about 8,000 tons of CO2. You know what that means? So if you know how many trips you go in a day, then you now know how many CO2 emission that comes out from this vehicle. Then you now calculate how many buses you have. So you see why this is very important. Apart from the fuel saving, why it's very important to the environment. To Lagos State as a state, I mean, the governor has been is a smart governor and is very serious about the city, the smart city, which you cannot talk about smart city without going green. So this is why one of the reasons why CMS has actually taken the look at the hand. In fact, I was very impressed when I knew that apart from the fuel savings, one thing the paramount to CMS administration is to reduce the CO2 they are emitting, which is a credit to this company. So this is exactly what we have done. So the bus is there, then this is the connection to the bed. Assuming the CMS want to phase out all this particular one now tomorrow, it's very simple. What you need to do, remove this, you can take it and put it in another vehicle. It's running. You understand? The vehicle goes out the way you bought it. So the person wants to now improve, now want to put the same unit in his own, fine and good. Otherwise, it remains. And another interesting thing is that we sell and service the equipment in Nigeria. In fact, what you're seeing there is about 60% local. What you're seeing, do you understand? So, in other words, that's to say that tell you that the maintenance is here in Nigeria, not going to get it from elsewhere. However, so this is exactly what the unit is, the unit is all about. So, we want to use this opportunity to, to commend T&M for taking this bold step. Because when it comes to Lagos State, when the governors talk about smart city, people think that the governor, they don't know what they are doing, or that smart city or emission is the government problem. It's not the government problem. The problem is for me and you, because the CO2 affects your life, affects my life, and affects everybody's life. So what this thing has done now, the value is brought to the company and to Nigerians, not to Lagos State in particular, is that the company wanted to save the environment by reducing their carbon footprint. But now they are getting extra value by saving by the last count about 36% of their house. The initial, the former the initial fuel consumption, which is an interesting thing. So we're using this opportunity to actually call all the transport companies understand that, especially in Lagos State, that green Lagos, green city is for all of us. So everybody must get into it. This is one thing that if you do in the vehicle, you are not talking about return on investment. You are talking about profit on investment right now. Meanwhile, you are saving the environment. None of that technology will give will give you such thing. So, Toshitu, who is the pilot of this one we're using as a pilot scheme, I say congratulations and to all of you, the members of TM. All right, thank you.